to my science lab. We're gonna do this from the very beginning this time. So I'll remember what I did in this cup. So we're gonna start with this beautiful limey green that I made today just by going back to grade 1 basics and making different paint colors by mixing primary colors. And this one was just exactly what I was going for. I was trying to get that really lime green. So I'm going to start with that. Pour a little bit in there, fill up the bottom. And I'm going to go for more paint this time than I did last time so I don't have to do all that mucking about. See, not a boot, about. Maybe I'm becoming more Americanized. I don't say about. I don't even know what the wrong way is anymore. Okay, and this is the gold. I mixed up, this was a pre-made paint, but I just mixed it with my Floetrol. So same thing, I'm just gonna pour up high and do a little bit of a whoop, whoop. And I really love this emerald, so I'm gonna try and pull that out a little bit more this time. A bit more, whoop, whoop. Sound effects are free. Now my white, which is actually a combination of, what did I use? The same as the canvas beige, and then some pearl in there as well. So we'll go up high, and the white really helps to bring out those colors. I think I didn't use enough on that last one, so maybe go a little heavy on it this time. And then my magic mystery green here. Okay. Oh, pretty, pretty. So now we go back to the very beginning and we do it again. And because last time this wasn't nearly full up enough, I'm gonna go a little hog wild here. Same thing, I'm just gonna go boop, boop, plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. There is a lot of relief in this. A little more gold, crisscross applesauce. Ooh, liking that. Okay, and then we're gonna make this emerald super strong in here. Crisscross, crisscross. All right. Left, right, up, down, back and forth, just like a woman. I don't know which way we want to go. Do a little bit more white this time. A little bit more of my limey in there because I love that color, and it's lighter, so that might help make things pop up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to do white, and then the black, and the black is really what makes things look magical. Running out of space. Okay, here we go. Black magic. We're gonna do the same thing. Oh, look, 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 look what's happening here. This is gonna be beautiful. So the cells are already activating in my cup. Look at that. This is gonna be cool. I am digging that a lot. Let's do this. Get her in the middle. And here we go. Wow, look at that. Oh, please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. And we're gonna spin, I think, for sure. but look at my cell action. And I definitely have enough paint this time. Holy moly! Even, I don't know how it's possible, but it is prettier than the last one even. Come on, pretty cells, do your thing. All kinds of crazy stuff going on in here. I'm just gonna kind of let this do its thing. I don't want to manipulate it too much. Okay, gotta flip this guy a little bit. Okay, let's stretch just a little. Nah, not too much. Change my mind. Okay, again, I'm left with that. Do I spin or do I not spin? And I'm really torn because I really think it looks great just like this. My magic cup that has leftover paint. So, shall we? We just need a little bit more on there. Loving, loving, loving this section right here. Pick up some of the stripes and put it on the edge there. Go. Do some green in here. Go see the movement. Still sliding slowly down, which is awesome because I want that white and that black to stretch. Okay, can we just sit here and stare at this for a little while longer? Okay, I think I'm gonna call this good. More than good, I'm gonna call this fabulous. And then I'm gonna go lay it in the laundry room beside its partner. I'm done, for real. Totally satisfied. As I tilt just a little bit more. Stop it. Stop it. Just leave it alone. Okay, I need someone here to take my gloves off and take this piece away from me. I'm going to put it down on my spinner. Success! That's what success looks like.